Hello guys, today I will be playing blox and showing the things that I just know. And guys, when I'm charging yours, my iPad's going to there and I don't play with my brother because he just don't wanna play. And wait, I literally near him now.
I might join you, I don't know. If
Okay.
I'm bored. But
Okay,
right
guys.
now, I'm not bored bombing people with my boat.
Hey, if you wanna say you're gonna ask me. I'm
What?
using a microphone, don't you know? I use a microphone.
I'm not dumb, you know.
Oh, okay. Guys, here, if you have lights and you know that if you do like this, it will teleport like us. But here, this is a bad thing. But you guys know that I just teach you this thing right here. The hyper speed boost jump. Hyper speed boost. Oh, what's it? What's the hyper speed boost? Russell is so good, man. Learn it. But if you do like this and aim like this, why there someone like a PvP? Anyone want a PvP?
Oh, come on, this
man?
bomb.
Why can't they just leave me alone? I think he's friendly. No, not anymore. This guy's I think to defeat this guy. Which I don't think I can. Oh my gosh. I have to wait again because of this guy. And can't I just relax? Okay, guys, so if you do like this and you aim, and this back, I can't do anything, guys. I guess I'll just go away instead. I'm super slow now. Maybe at least I can still get off, guys. Literally, can't he just ignore me? Man, I'm going.
Just turn off PvP.
Yep, I can. I have to come here. Oh, he's back. Yeah, I'm flying away from him. Generate. Why do he want to PvP me? Don't want to die now, guys. What do we do? Whoa. Guys, I don't know what happened, but that guy just made a video. That guy just want to make a video. So, I don't know why, but I like to hyper speed boost here, guys. See, normal? It's just like this, which I hate. So I just start to doing this. Oh, it's not guys. Look, if you do like this and you just do like this, you'll be super high. You guys see it? I can show it again for you guys. But if you just do like this, it won't be good. Bro, why are you so bold, dude?
Huh?
Why are you bold? Oh. This guy can't. So if I do like this, see, super high. But this guy sucks. You know what? But I don't know what. But I don't have red. But says, ooh, super fried. Yes. So I guess okay across. No, it's almost. Bro, why are you using this glitch, man?
I need coins.
Why don't you just the jet? It's much faster.
No,
Guys,
it's not.
if I do like this and fly and warrior slash, oh, I think I'm losing the flying. Who's flying? What? Guys, this is just my video, which I'm done with it. You can't just show you guys trick, but I like to do this trick so much, guys. It's like the best trick. I just know this thing, but
Oh, yeah.
hey, bro, look at this. It's normal, but some some reason, let's just go with. Okay, but it's better
You
still.
don't need this.
Just, guys, I got twisted the skill. Man, that's for now. I don't know what to do. It's a bad thing. And but I guys, if you know, I play live and I'm a bit good, but right now, guys, generally,
You mean genuinely?
I don't know what to do. But guys, yeah, I just don't know what to do, guys. I kind of want to make a video about this one too, guys. I'm a monkey, but since I don't know what to do, I'm going to guess. I'm going to play with my brother. Can I play with you?
Yeah, whatever.
Can I make a video with you?
Whatever.
Okay, guys. I finally have something to do. I don't know what's going to join you. Which team are you? Why are you always red, I think?
No, you can't join my team.
Why? Why, bro?
Because I'm doing professional stuff out here.
No. Yeah, I guess that I will just come to you then.
No. Are you serious?
It's literally now I don't know what to do. Except throwing my brother at least. I generally don't know what to do. Yeah, just trying to. I'm the most genius person now.
No, reverse the spin. No.
I'm gonna buy stuff. Guys, it's time to
You
waste some.
serious?
It's time to waste the game money.
Reverse.
Guys, where's the torch? Hey, how do I buy a torch, dude?
Huh?
How to buy a torch?
I don't know.
Forever.
Oh!
Yeah, this
It's not clipping me.
wow, new thing. That is super great. Okay, I think my blocks are all dead. Oh, yeah. I gotta buy things again. Here is it. Bing. 9.5 million obsidian, guys. I'm rich now. I'm rich. I'm pretty.
Whatever the hell you're doing, it's gonna get destroyed.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
What? I found something good, bro. You can't believe what I'm even doing, man. It's just good, bro. And I'm not even getting destroyed right now. I guess I could do like this, guys. Alright, not going to save, so it's fine. I'm finding the torch, you know. Torch simulator. Wait, I forgot this one. And a torch. Here is a torch. Torch. But why do I just do this?
Oh no.
And there's literally white. What? Hey. Hey, what to do with the torch again?
The what?
How to make the torch turn like this, dude? I'm stuck.
Wait, jump out first.
No, I can't. I'm stuck, dude.
What do you mean you're stuck? Jump out. Just jump.
Then what?
film.
I can't, dude.
What do you mean you can't? The
I
hell?
can't come out.
I can see you.
What? Red. Wow!
Camera?
Oh no! Why? Hey, don't go to the VIP seat.
Is that you?
Yeah. Right, can you
Jump,
come?
wait, jump.
Why?
I can help you out.
No, I can't.
I have a little mechanism to help you out.
What's it?
There's my button.
Why are you going to bomb me?
Yeah.
Nah, this not
No,
happening.
I'm gonna bomb you so hard you clip out. If I can find my button, of course.
Man, but if it go to work, you see a microphone? This video,
What?
I don't think the will work can hear you because the
The
microphone.
video isn't about me, it's about you.
Yeah? Yeah, I'm
And I
going to
can't
make.
find my button, amazing.
You know, I'm going to make it with you now. Oh my eyes! So I'm going. I'm going to your base. Where's your base? Oh, here's the red. No. One of them ran out of gasoline. Where's your best little monkey? What is this guy? What? Oh my god.
What is that?
I don't know why I just get killed from it. I don't know why is it, but I'm going there and I'm going there.
Yo, that's tough.
It's tough, but my ceiling is on. It's not good, remember.
Oh damn, this dude's making the SpongeBob mobile thing. SpongeBob thing.
Yeah, where's this base again? Oh, see the bear is in. Where is it? No, why are you bumping? Oh. You freak yourself, dude. Literally, I did not even get freaked. What? What happened? What is happening to my car? Dude? Man, I'm dying with your car. Why is your car killing me right now? Generally.
You mean genuinely, not generally. Oh my god.
Help me, dude. Why don't you use the treasure thing?
The what?
The treasure.
It's not really the best.
Look, guys, here.
It's not good. It's not good for my mass destruction.
Yeah, I guess we should make
It's not exploding. Oh, does it explode when it collides with something?
I'm going to make a button. I'm going to make a boat out of buttons, guys. This is going to be legendary. Hey, who? Chicken jockey. The chickens. Bro, I don't know why guys. Why they even making buttons?
Okay, is this how it works?
Man, I'm gonna trap this guy. I'm going to trap him too. Where?
Oh, it's the duck guy.
No, I'm teabagging him. Wait, I gotta go in the cave. Now I got to run away from this. He's going inside of you. Tough. My brother say tough. And he said, will
How do
with
you
me.
make this chicken out?
I'm gonna kill him now. Everything's going. What is this shit? What happened?
What the hell?
I think I make a bug over there. I have a car now.
Okay.
This is legendary. Come help me, bro. I need
No.
help.
Can I explode that dude and just launch him somewhere else?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, your boat is gone now. But I'm O-E-R-E-R-E-E-R-E-O-E-R.
Huh?
Huh?
What?
What?
Your commentary is so. I don't understand. Oh yeah.
Guys, I'm flying with this. I'm going to my brother's base. No! Help me!
It's just raining my body parts there.
Can you help me, please? I'm helping myself right now. What do I mean, bro? I'm laying right now, bro. It's right now.
Okay, so let's say.
Help me. I'm gonna spin on you right now. Guess you're not even clicking anything. It's spinning for me. I'm going to kill you.
There's these two.
Now I'm clicking.
There's three. There's four of them, you know?
Yeah.
And let's say
Eep.
this activates. No.
No, I'm gonna kill you now, bro. Bro, that's the best thing, bro. I'm going now. Go with the sheep plane. I'm stuck. No. Eep.
Maybe an X.
I go to your yard, bro. No.
Wait. I want to come. I need you to come out.
Why?
Come out of the thing.
I'm not going to.
I need you to test out my thing. Come on.
What thing, bro? Can I go to this guy thing first? Bro, I'm going to. Okay, I can, whatever. But can you just play level, please?
No.
Man, what? Help me! So you're blocking my view, bro. Hang. I don't think I'm a plane.
Okay, you gotta test out my thing.
What thing?
My thing. My contraption.
I'm gonna kill you if you say it. Bro, look at you. You're so dude. I'm pushing you away, bro. Ow! Just imp. And just, bro, do you know that who's in your face right now, bro?
Okay, come out of the thing.
Come out. How, dude? I can't. I'm stuck here. I'm stuck in such a plane, dude. You mean I have to reset?
Yes. Duh.
I mean, I guess I've got to stay.
I erase that whole thing.
Oh,
Just get a car and just drive here, okay?
okay. But I don't have my car?
Yes, I'm not driving you here.
Okay.
Oh, that's your car. Okay.
This car's too bad.
I can drive you there then, I guess. Whatever.
I'm going to make a new car. It's going to be a bad car. Hey, we're gonna,
Great. I just resetted my thing.
I'm gonna buy some stuff. Hey, you're going to drive my car
You're
instead.
so slow. Come on.
Oh, I got a new seat. Told you. Okay. Okay.
No,
Okay.
you don't. I don't need your help anymore.
What?
Yeah, you don't help anymore. I figured out how to do that thing.
What thing? What thing, bro? What's the thing? Anyway, I'm going to come to you. I don't care. Well, why every time I accidentally click it?
Yes, sir.
Oh, keep for stealth. Yes.
I want this to be a knock gate.
I try to rip. Man, whatever. What the country you in?
Why is it an AND gate? I don't want it to be an AND gate.
Where are you? I'm coming to you. I'm coming. I'm gonna kiss you. You guys, we're gonna kiss him. Bro, I have a hole here. I'm gonna go into my hole. I'm coming. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I totally forgot, guys. This video is just playing. And I'm going to crush it with your head, bro. I just have to know not to drive my car. Bing. And
I'm not playing with you.
Huh? What?
Stop.
Okay, what's this thing? And we're gonna spank it. Why am I flying this? And I'm gonna click and broke everything of yours. Bang bang bang. Bro, you know how to make a pirate server already?
I can't make a pirate server.
Huh?
I'm not. I just don't want to play with you. Every time you join, I'm just gonna leave.
Okay.
Oh.
What? What do you have for what film? I kind of want to join. What if I join you? What will happen, bro? Yeah, but guys, how did Robot ask me to rate it? And we're like, yeah, I guess they were just going to ask to rate, but I don't care. As I remember, look at. Sheesh. I don't know what to even do, guys. No. I guess if I have no brother to live with, then I just don't know what. I guess I'm just going to. Oh my gosh, this video is going to make me grind block first too. Even though I don't want to grind, but it's my only way, guys. I'm also going to show you guys my whole new thing.
Oh.
Okay, time to log in, guys. Log in. Okay. First thing, guys, grind in the arm. What is here? No, why am I getting hit in the ball? People are still flying anyway. To change it down and stop. Okay. Now guys, what is the dash is illegal? Anyway, I don't know why, but guys, I kind of want free money. You know what? No one ever comments my video, guys. No one ever comments to my video. Am I dying right now? Oh, now you're not dying enough. It's like a boxing match, guys. Boxing match. It's a boxing war this time. No way, guys. Because you see my HP is different today. And it's much very different. I'm trying to grind money, guys. Oh, I'm strong enough now. This guy is stupid. No, stupid. No, I don't have to saw like a.
Oh damn.
I also forgot to open the sound. Oh, I think I'm not like a genius guy anymore. Was he new server?
Huh?
New shit. Man. Okay, teleport? What's why not? What are you doing, bro?
What?
What are you doing?
Well, it's just a block of obsidian.
Yeah, well, why is so special about it? Gift, right? And just no.
So if I explode this, you know,
Okay.
what's gonna happen?
I think this will work, guys. I don't wanna air this. I don't wanna air jump, guys. I'm lazy. And
Oh my god.
what? I'm just going to block it, guys. I'm going to kill this. No, I'm getting boxed. Oh my god. Wait, I remember something.
Oh, Max.
Wait, guys, wait. Do you know United States people? Can you please tell me if it's morning, are there place like dark? Because my dad said that, and I don't know if it's real or not. Because please comment down below. Should I make a Thai channel or say Thai? And today I'm going to make it for so it's not meant for kids.
What do you mean?
Because I want someone to comment down. I need some comment bro. And my health is too little. I'm gonna one attack and I'm done with you, bro. Just look at my HP. Do you really wanna know how much I got now? Well, I know what is it now, guys. Guys, you know, I literally try to make Thunder God, but it's too hard. Anyway, I guess I will wait for the compass to be red.
Gigantic block of obsidian.
Why do you let the obsidian, bro? I don't know, like
Just
I'm
littered with bombs. This is perfect.
but guys, I don't know why, but look, if I do it, no, it's boxing me now. I'm gonna kill this guy. Boom. I'm around it. And guys, you see, there's something. Oh, there's something behind me, and look, water can pass. No, dude, I don't think block force is like a life makes sense because
How am I stuck in this block? What the hell?
Why don't you just put like a block of obsidian and put TNT and just make it as a safe. Anyway, guys, today I'm also talking with my brother because I'm near him now, and I don't want to talk alone. Wait, do I even make a time? Okay, guys.
No.
Okay. Okay, the time is almost up, but it's fine, guys. I'm going to cancel this one. Anyway, guys, today the video is almost going to end by going to punch Thunder God. Man, this guy's strong. No. Man, I'm done with it.
Oh no, don't touch that.
Anyway, guys, if my bell rings, I will end the video. Which before ending, I'm gonna select this thing. The boom, boom. Because here's all the things that I teach you today. All the tricks. So this trick.
Oh.
Man, it's better.
Oh.
It's better, man. This thing sucks. The video after when the bell rings, but I'm gonna show you this thing, man. I can't just avoid it. And this is the thing that is the best, guys. Today, you guys learn this. So the video is going to end, guys. But I'm not editing this. And my brother too.